Alright, I'm at the Oklahoma like State History Museum in Oklahoma City, and they got this little park out here. It's pretty cool. They got all kinds of old equipment. Look at this, man. Mostly made out of wood. That is quite the drill rig operation. Nice looking old truck. I gotta say, these old tankers, I mean, they kind of had some style to it, you know? They definitely had some style. Oh, nice. I like this Detroit diesel. Check out that supercharger. It's interesting that supercharger style originated on these engines and then moved on to be used in drag racing and whatnot. You have Detroit diesel to thank for those big superchargers that people run. They made them popular. The Screamin' Jimmy. It's a pretty massive one. It's a pretty massive one too up there. Look at this tiny tanker car. That is adorable. One of those in the yard. That is simply adorable. I love it. I've never seen one that tiny before. Maybe that's just a scale model. Maybe that's not really meant to be a real thing.